So, in today's video, it's a sneaker unboxing video. Now, I know a lot of people will not care about this video, so if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to be unboxing some slept on, but some banger shoes that I just recently bought. And we're going to get straight into it. So you know what? That's all there is to the video. I don't want to do any more talking. But hold on. 1 second. If you do not know who I am, let me show you a little bit about myself, okay? My name is Shawnie. Shawnie. Period. Shawnie, the Tsunami. What's up, YouTube? This is Shawnie, the Tsunami, coming at you with another video. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stop the video right here because there was so much information that I forgot to put in this video that I have to put in at this moment. So let me give a little shout out to Alan because if you don't know, I already uploaded this video, so this is a re-upload, but Alan commented on this video and he was like, nah, you forgot to put in so much information. I know you just were in it. I know you were just looking at it for the color. I know you just got it for the color, but it has so much more meaning to it. And I'm like, oh, dang. He's right. And I didn't know about it, but when you're doing sneaker reviews or unboxings, you have to realize that there are sneakers that have meaning nowadays. And it's always been like that. Sneakers always have meaning, but that was just bad on my part because I have to do more research. And he said that the information was right in front of me, but I guess I wasn't paying attention. I was being a little stupid. I was too excited and I was just getting into it for the color. And that's, you know, you can't be doing that. So Breaking Down Barriers is not a brand. I thought it was, and that's what you're gonna see in this video. I might cut out all that stuff that I was talking about. I thought it was a brand. It's a collection paying homage to Nat Clifton, Chuck Cooper, and Earl Lloyd. And I know about these NBA players, so I was tripping that broke down the NBA's color barrier and made the first moves to integrate the league. So that's why it's called Breaking Barriers, because these are basically the first black players in the NBA. And you know, that's just paying homage to these players. That's why there's different colors, and I got the Celtics colorway. That's because Chuck Cooper, he was drafted to the Celtics, hence it's green and yellow and all that, and that's why it's the Celtics colorways. And there's other colorways paying homage to the other NBA players' teams. So, that being said, I had to put that in. Again, appreciate it, Alan. I did not know that. I did not know what this was about, and I just went into this being excited and getting it for the color. So, let's get back to the video. Like I said, this is an unboxing video. I do this frequently on my channel when I buy stuff, you know, and, you know, buy a shoe that I really want to show off, or something that's underrated that I want to show people or let people know, or inform people, you know what I'm saying? For those who do not know, if you just, you know, subscribe to my channel for reaction videos, I'm very, very much into fashion and into shoes. So I do, you know, sometimes videos on fashion and shoes. So that's what this video is today. I'm going to be unboxing a shoe that I want to show you guys. So if you want to get into any of my fashion or know how I dress or know what my shoe game is, you can go over to my Instagram at Shawnie the Tsunami. It's the same as my YouTube name, but smushed together. Period. And with that being said, we're gonna get straight into this video. Alright, so I bought this shoe off of Sense. Okay, I bought it off of Sense. And let me tell you something about Sense, with 2 S's, by the way. This was the fastest shipping I've ever experienced with a shoe. Oh my gosh. I ordered this on Friday and today is Monday. So, you know, I don't know. I mean, it was the weekend, so you never know how fast it would have came if it wasn't on the weekend. For that, I respect Sense, and I'm gonna be ordering more from Sense. That was amazing. So let's dig straight into this video. Come on. Period. Open up. Oh, I didn't see. Now, okay. Woo. Now these shoes are something that I don't even really know about. You know, I have no knowledge about it. I'm just the type of person that buys shoes that I like, and I just get it because I want to get it. Period. Now this is what I see inside the box. All right, look at this. I did not know it was gonna be a maroon and gold box. Converse. Hello? All right, look at it. Get into it. Yeah, get into it. Let me show you a little something. Oh, you see that green? Get into it. Do you see that green? These are the Breaking Down Barriers X Chuck 70 Highs Celtics. Obviously, Celtics is a NBA basketball team, and this is a Converse. Now, I love Converse. Converse is like one of my favorite brands of shoes and one of my favorite type of shoes to wear. The quality is kind of immaculate. What is it? I don't even know what material this is. I feel like this is like, is this canvas? Now, obviously, these are the Celtics colors. The Celtics colors are green and a little bit of yellow. Come on. And I'm gonna give credit where credit is due. I saw Ricky Thompson, the Instagram, like the just funniest person on Instagram. I saw him wear this. So I gotta give credit where credit is due. Now, I don't mean to take anybody's drip. I'm sorry, Ricky. I did not mean to take your drip. I don't usually do that, but I had to because I'm starting to get into green more, and I was like, oh no, I'm sorry. I have to find where these shoes are at. I bought these for $60. And these are like it's kind of rare because these are like a collab shoe. These are like high quality, but I got it for $60 on sale on Sense. Oh my gosh. And if you go anywhere else, people are taxing. If you go to GOAT, it's like $130 and you're like, huh? And then you go to Sense, and it was actually on the actual Converse site, and it was going for less. It's probably going for like $42, but it sold out quick. But this is going for $60. I got a discount on it. Look at the tongue. I mean, it's just very good quality. It just looks so dope. So once I bought these shoes, I was like, I have to get something with these shoes. I gotta make an outfit out of these shoes. And guess what? I bought this Larry Bird jersey. Oh man, get into it. Oh no. Oh no. And so I just wanted to make an outfit out of it, and that's as simple as that. So usually I wear a 9, and I got an 8.5 because if you do not know, Converse do run big, a half size large. So I mean, I got an 8.5. I usually wear a 9, and I'm gonna see right now if these shoes fit. I'm also going to try these on and show on feet so everybody can see how it looks. And so that being said, we're going to come right back and I'm going to say everything I need to say about the fit of these shoes and how they look on feet. So I'm going to be right back. Alright, so look, I don't want to waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. How comfortable is it? Oh man, I mean, it's pretty comfortable for a Converse shoe. They obviously put a little bit of cushioning inside of it. It kind of reminds me of the other Converse I have, the Runstar Hike, the collaboration with J.W. Anderson. It has that cushion because I guess it's like a high quality, a collab, so I guess they wanted to do something more comfortable. The sizing was perfect. Once I went that half size down, it's perfect. Like I said, if you don't know, Converse run a half size large, so go a half size down. I love the color, especially since I found an outfit to go with it. I'm gonna put my outfit up right now, a picture of the outfit that I took with this, and it's pretty fire. There were other colors. I think there was like a blue color, like a navy color, a black color, but it just those didn't pop out like these ones do. These were the best ones, I promise you. And I guess if you don't have a lot of green in your closet or you don't know what to wear with this, I guess it's not the type of shoe that you would want to get. But you know, I love versatility. I love having different colors and different, you know, color shoes, different color outfits, and that's why I bought these, because they were, for one, cheap. They were $60, and I just found an outfit that I could put together with it. So it was simple as that. And yeah, so that's really all I have to say about this shoe. All right, so since that is over with, that will be the end of the video. So tell me down in the comments below, do you mess with these shoes or do you not? I'm starting to get into green, so you might not like it, but I love it, so it doesn't matter. And if you want to see some more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more videos of me, then subscribe. And thank you for watching.